Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. There's another week on our challenge of trading a $10 account in 365 days. We are currently on week 6, which is episode 6 of our series. Now, this week was a great week. So far, February started nicely. This week was a great week. We did marvelous things on the account. So we are going to head right into the action. No time wasting. But before we do that, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on the post notifications so that anytime we upload a video, you don't miss it. Let's go right into it. So yeah, this week was a great week. As I said earlier, we had a win this week. Now that win was really stressful. That win was really stressful. I'm not gonna lie, that win was very stressful. So we took just one trade on account this week, and it was a win, as I've said earlier. And guess the pair we took that trade on? BTC, guys. We took that trade on BTC USD. So let's head on to the BTC chart and break that trade down. So here we are on the BTC USD chart. This is my position right here. Yeah, this is my position. As you can see, logged in some cool profits on the account. So let's break down this trade. So the logic of this trade was from the massive price sales that have been happening on BTC for the past couple of weeks or days. So you can see that BTC has been very bearish recently. BTC has been falling for how many weeks straight? Since last year, October. BTC has been falling since last year, October, and now price is around 68k. So you can see the massive amount of bearish candles that happened, this retracement, and the bearish candles going on. So yeah, this was what inspired a short trade, because seeing this, I saw that there was a lot of bearish momentum in the market. So I just had to take advantage of that and join the sellers. So on the daily time frame, this is what inspired the trade on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we have what? We have price breaking to the downside and falling massively. So anyone who would look at this chart will be looking for selling opportunities around these zones, or zones down here, or zones within this area, because of what? Premium and discount, because of that concept. But I had different plans, because seeing this massive bearish candles in such quick succession with little to no retracement, I saw that price was in a strong bearish movement. So if I wanted to join the sales, I should be closer to price to look for an entry and catch price to the downside, because price is not about to reverse to these zones and fall back down. I think if price is getting to these zones, then we are changing to bullish structure. So yeah, so in the daily time frame, I saw this candle of consolidation before the quick move downwards. You can see this candle is an indecision candle before the quick move downwards. So once I saw this candle, I was waiting for price to come back in, and I take my trade. So when price came in here, this is what I saw. I saw price sweep the high of the previous day's candle and closed in it. So the only logical thing for me to do was target the low of that candle that got swept. So I can target price to come down to those levels. So this led me to the 4-hour time frame to look forward a short entry to join the sellers. So on the 4-hour time frame, I was looking to get into my position around this whole other block right here, but it was too huge, so I had to refine my position. So I think I refined it on the 2-hour time frame. No, I don't think so. I think it was the 30 minutes rather. It was the 30 minutes. Yeah, it was the 30 minutes. So I selected this last bullish candle before we had this drop and waited for price to get in it. When price got in it, I saw the same thing I saw on the daily. Price swept this zone. So the moment price gave me this bearish candle, I just saw it as a confirmation to what enter my trade. Stops above this high and might take profit. So ideally, because we swept the previous day's high, we would be targeting the previous day low, but I don't do anything less than 1:5, so I had to extend it. And guys, guess what? This trade stressed the hell out of me. This trade, a single trade that was taken on Monday, what was the time? 8 p.m. finally closed us out on Thursday, 6 p.m. So we held the trade for 3 solid days, which is 72 hours. And the annoying thing about this trade was that on Wednesday, when price got somewhere here, I wasn't on the chart. On Wednesday, when I saw this massive bearish candle, I was thinking, oh, the trade is done. I'm hitting TP right away. So I just left the chart to do something. When price got around these levels, I wasn't on the chart, only for me to come take back my phone. I saw price playing around these levels again, and I was like, what is going on? And I wanted to close the trade, but my instinct told me not to. I don't know, but I know you are not supposed to include your instincts when you have a trading plan. Yeah, that's true. But for the past few weeks, it was last week also that I just had that edge to close the trade and it reversed on me. And this one, I just felt not to close it. Like I shouldn't touch the trade at all, because around this side, I think price was around the 1:3. So I would have just settled for that. But no, I didn't touch the trade. So yeah, price played around, got somewhere here, and I finally closed the trade for a 1:2, I think 4.8 or something, approximately a 1:5. So yeah, that's a trade for BTC. There's a wonderful trade record, and I wanted to take re-entries for the trade. The re-entry I actually cooked me. They hit my stop loss before continuing down lower, but I didn't take that re-entry on the challenge account. That's why I'm not reviewing it here. I took it on my prop account, my Profim account. Yeah, and that trade cooked me so bad before moving in my direction. So yeah, this is the BTC trade we took this week, the one and only trade we took this week, and the champion win. And I don't know, I was just so happy about this trade, not because he hit TP, but because I followed my rules fully. Because starting this year, my psychology was kind of a bit messed up because of the tough weeks we had during the earlier session of this year. So as a trader, what that does to you, just kind of messes you up in some kind of way. But I was glad to be able to follow my plans or my trading plan for this BTC trade. And yeah, that's it. I took other trades as well, but yeah, it wasn't on the challenge account, so no need talking about that trade. Those trades are on my personal and Profim account. So yeah, this is a BTC trade. A beautiful trade quote, guys. So a beautiful trade quote, guys. So let's head on to our journaling platform and see where receipt and our stats on the account. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, and let me know if you also had a winning week, or however your week went. Let me know in the comment section. Write that down in the comment section for me. I'm going to check that out. Yeah, so let's head on to the journaling platform. So we are here on the journaling platform, and this is what our account looks like. So let's start from here. Gain percentage, we have gained 60.90% on the account, which is quite good. Our net profit and loss now sit at 618.42 cents, which is $6. So started with $10, now we've made $6 profit. So period returns, daily we've made 4.87%, weekly 8.25%, monthly 26.84%, annualized 978.25%. That's crazy, guys. Max balance drawdown 37.71%. Yeah, proudly sponsored by the drawdown we entered at the beginning of this year. So our current equity, which is our current, same as our current balance because we have no running trades, is $1,634.42, which is $16. So account now sits at $16. Our win rate percentage 40%, profit factor 2.05, average win 302.33 cents, average loss 98.48 cents, average trade duration 14 hours 7 minutes. So yeah, this is it. This is our equity curve. This is our equity curve. 10 trades on the account so far since the beginning of the year. And if we change this into the calendar mode, the same statistics. This is it. We only took one trade, took it on Monday but closed on Thursday. So it closed for 457.82 cents, which is about $4.5, making 38.91% this week. So that is it. That is all for the account this week. Glad to be finally back and running in profit. Hopefully we do more on the account. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment your experience this week, rate your trading week in the comment section, let me know, and also share this video to your friends, your family, your loved ones, so everyone can join us on this crazy journey. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.